So let's have a quick look at this sample V-scar question here. So it's a nice one, the range of the function f for the range of the function defined by f, where the domain is from -2 to 7, mapping onto R, and f of x is equal to 5 minus x. So look, it certainly doesn't hurt to do a quick graph. Just a quick graph. 5 minus x, y-intercept of 5, it's a negative gradient. So it's something like that. And the domain is from -2 to 7. Yeah, so clearly it's a linear graph, so we know that the endpoints will be the maximum and minimum value. So if I substitute -2 in there, we can see there I get the point +7. If I substitute the point 7 in, I get the point 7, -2. Now both on the domain, both the endpoints have got square brackets, so we're going to include the endpoints for our range. So our range is from -2 to 7. All right. To find our midpoint, we just have two random points. The midpoint, add the x values and divide by 2, add the y values and divide by 2. So if we do that, we just get a little midpoint there in terms of D. And then finally, the gradient of the line perpendicular to the line that passes through. Okay, so the gradient of the line, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, -4 minus 0 over 0 minus 2, gives me a gradient of -2. It doesn't hurt, time permits. If you do a quick plot, the point -2, 0, the point 0, -4, so that's a negative gradient, so I should get a negative gradient, so that's promising. So the line perpendicular to that is this one here, and that's got a gradient of -1 over -2, which is a half. All right, so look, have a exercise here. It covers a lot of stuff that's familiar to us from year 10 through to year 11, but you've really got to still go over it. In particular, the stuff on midpoint, distance between points, definitely, but have a good work through all those exercises.